Hi everyone, Sudeep here. Today I'm gonna show you how you can see your Wi-Fi password. It's gonna be a very short tutorial because we have just few lines of code to see our Wi-Fi passwords. Without getting delayed, let's get started. First of all, you have to open your CMD and let me zoom in somehow so that you can see it clearly, and you have to type in neighbours LAN so profile. So this line of code shows all the Wi-Fi's that are connected to your system, and you have to choose a particular one so that you can get a keyword or the password. So I'll be selecting 274 and I will type that code again. For that you can press up arrow key and type the name of the Wi-Fi, that is 2074, and give a space and type key equals clear and give a enter. Now you will see a key content which is password, and it's okay. Now this is for a particular one, but if you want all the passwords, if you want the password of all the Wi-Fi's that are connected to your system, you have to open CMD as an administrator. Let's see it again. Type in CMD and open it as an administrator, and here type in neighbours LAN. Now we are exporting in a particular file. I will type export and export profile, and I will export that profile on folder drive C // and space key equals to here. Now all the passwords are exported to our drive C. That's all for today. Thank you for watching our videos. Do not forget to give a like to our videos and share with your friends if you feel it's important, and have a good day.